Good evening. Welcome all of my viewers, students and friends to the channel Smart Learning. Today's session I'll be discussing the very important topic of the French grammar, articlearticle, with so many examples. Indefinite article. We'll be solving also some exercises in this today's session. Before starting today's session, I am requesting all of my friends, viewers and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it in time. I thank to all of my viewers and students and friends who have already subscribed the channel Smart Learning. I request all of my viewers, students and friends to share the video lessons to the students and friends who are really interested to learn the French language. In this channel, I am uploading so many important grammatical topics and all the aspects of French language so that if you attentively follow the channel and video lessons uploaded in the channel, you can really learn something regarding the French language. After that, if you have any specific query or any requirement in learning the French language, you can contact me to my WhatsApp number and you can visit our website and you will have the contact and WhatsApp and mobile number in my website, and please feel free to contact for your exact requirement. Let's start the today's session. Thank you. Hello, let's start the today's topic, articlearticle. Indefinite article, very important topic of the French grammar. First, I am discussing how many indefinite articles are there in French grammar. First one is un. Un means for masculine singular. That means masculine and only one item. Before starting details the indefinite article, I am telling you once again, I have already told in previous video lesson that all the objects, living or non-living things in the French grammar or French language are classified into two categories, either masculine or feminine. Okay. So, un is the indefinite article to be used for the masculine category item and singular, that is in singular in number. Next one is win, pronunciation is win. This is for feminine category item, singular. Okay, and in the both the cases, that is the for masculine and feminine, plural. This is the plural article. That is the, in case of plural, masculine and feminine, in both the cases you are using the s. So what happens? There are three indefinite articles in French grammar. First one is un, pronunciation is un for masculine singular, pronunciation win for feminine singular, and next one is the for masculine and feminine plural. Okay, that's all for three indefinite articles, articlearticle, in French language. Now I am giving you some exemplary words. First, I am giving some words of masculine category. Un livre. Un livre, a book. Meaning is a book. Un livre is a masculine word and singular, so we have used un. Un crayon, a pencil. Un pencil, un crayon. Crayon is pencil. Un garçon, a boy. A boy. un garçon, un pupitre, a desk. Pupitre means desk. Un avion, an aeroplane, an avion. Avion is aeroplane. All these words are examples of the indefinite article un for masculine singular number. Okay. Now, please take down in your copy. Now I am coming to the words or examples belong to feminine category. Win, fear, a girl. Win, fear, a girl. Win, farm, a lady. Win, cravat, a tie. These are feminine category. Win, maison, a house. Win, table, a table. These are feminine category. Okay. All these words I have given, these are belong to feminine categories. And so that I have used this second one, the win, the indefinite article of feminine singular number. Okay. Please take down in your copy. I am coming to the next topic. It is how to make the plural. Des garçons, the example, plural. Des garçons means boys. Garçon is boy, des garçons, boys. This is the indefinite article in plural. Masculine, feminine, both the case you can use they. They, es, they fear. Girls, they farm. Ladies, des avions, aeroplane. In this type of words starting with vowel, you have to pronounce after joining. So it will be like a Z pronunciation, Z-A, za, des avions. Pronunciation will be des avions. Be careful regarding this pronunciation. Okay. Des avions. Some exceptional words in French grammar. Say an oiseau. Oiseau is bird. Oiseau. Whenever you are making plural, des oiseaux. These are not taking x at the end of the word for plural. They are taking x instead of x. Be careful regarding this formula. They are taking x. So another example, un chapeau. Whenever you are making plural, they chapeau, x. Okay. These are the example of some exceptional words in French grammar. Another example, a journal, a newspaper. In plural it will be they journaux. The journaux means newspapers. Okay. Now I am discussing some examples of the examination question. How it comes regarding indefinite article. Complete avec l'article indéfini. This type of question comes in examination. For example, number 1, say belle femme. What will be the proper indefinite article in the given dash? Complete avec l'article défini means complete the sentence with indefinite article. Article indéfini, indefinite article. So you have to consider this one is female and singular. So you have to put win. Win is the answer. Okay. Number 2. We have dash is given grande maison. So maison is feminine and grande maison big house. So feminine singular. So we have to put win. Win grande maison as an indefinite article. Okay. Now another example. Elle a crayon vert. Vert means green color. Crayon is pencil. Elle a. She has. Dash is given. Crayon vert. Crayon is plural and vert is green color. So it is plural and crayon is masculine and plural. So you have to put indefinite article they. Okay. Number 4. Il y a there is. Ilia means there is a dash given and étudiant. Étudiant means students. But étudiant, it is female student. So you have to put il y a une étudiante. Il y a in French, there is or there are. There is one female student. Il y a une étudiante. Okay. Another example, voici tas dash tas noir. Voici, tas is cup of tea, that is cup. Voici means here. Here is tas noir means black color. Tas is female and singular item, so you have to put here win. Voici win tas noir. Okay. Next example, voila. Voila means there. Voila dash garçon dans la classe, in the class. Garçon, voila is there. Garçon is boy, but singular, one boy. So voila, here will be the appropriate indefinite article will be un. Okay, un garçon dans la classe. That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching the video. I'll be coming with the next grammatical topic in the next video lesson. Till then, bye bye.